Kepler's law. What is Kepler's law? Planetary motion had been observed by astronomers since ancient times. Before Galileo, all observations of planets' position were made with naked eyes. By the 16th century, a lot of data available about planetary positions and motion. Johannes Kepler studied this data. He noticed that the motion of planets follows certain laws. He stated 3 laws describing planetary motion. The shown diagram is of the orbit of planet moving around the Sun. Kepler's first law. The orbit of a planet is an ellipse with the Sun at one of the foci. Here we see the elliptical orbit of a planet revolving around the Sun. The position of the Sun is indicated by S. Kepler's second law. The line joining the planet and the Sun sweeps equal areas in equal intervals of time. AB and CD are distances covered by the planet in equal time, that is, after equal intervals of time, the position of planets starting from A and C are shown by B and D respectively. The straight lines AS and CS sweep equal area in equal interval of time, that is, area ASB and CSD are equal. Kepler's third law. The square of its period of revolution around the Sun is directly proportional to the cube of the mean distance of a planet from the Sun. Thus, if r is the average distance of the planet from the Sun and t is its period of revolution, then t square is directly proportional to r cube, that is, t square upon r cube, that is equal to constant, that is equal to k. Equation 1. Kepler obtained his laws simply from the study of position of planets obtained by regular observations. He had no explanation as to why planet obeys these laws. These laws helped Newton in formulation of his theory of gravitation.